guys, so yeah, I just wanted to show you the other parts that we've been collecting now for the 12A rebuild. So here's the water pump assembly for the 12A with the alternator. I'll show you guys. Here is the front engine mount brace we picked up, and here is the new water pump, still in the seal from Japan, with the gasket. So it's the water pump assembly, alternator, the front engine mount brace, the new water pump, and the gasket. So just wanted to show you guys what we got for the 12A rebuild. Hopefully soon we're gonna rebuild it. We're just going to need additional other parts. Like I said, I think I also need new rear rotor housing for the 12A, so I'm gonna have to do some research. Hopefully I'll find it. Also, I know I'm going to need other parts to restore the FB, so stay tuned for that, guys. I just wanted to update you on the RX7 vlog and let you guys know what's going on right now. But so far we just have these parts, and stay tuned for more content. So make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.